Have you ever heard of the technique called edging? Today, we'll dive into its potential benefits and drawbacks and consider whether it's safe to practice. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with friends. Edging refers to the practice of bringing oneself close to climax and then intentionally stopping to delay it, increasing the intensity when it eventually happens. It can be done alone or with a partner and integrated into various forms of intimacy. So why do people practice it? And what are the benefits? Advantages of edging. 1. Enhanced pleasure. The idea behind edging is that by delaying climax, tension builds, resulting in a more powerful release, leading to heightened enjoyment. 2. Improved partner connection. Practicing edging with a partner can encourage shared exploration and timing, which may lead to mutual satisfaction and deeper intimacy. 3. Body awareness. Edging helps individuals understand which kinds of sensations are most enjoyable and offers insight into personal triggers, providing a more mindful experience. 4. Increased control. It can help in learning to manage timing, potentially extending intimate moments and enhancing shared pleasure with a partner. 5. A method for delaying early climax. Techniques similar to edging are sometimes recommended for those looking to manage early release, aiming to sustain enjoyment longer. For instance, the stop-start method involves pausing for about 30 seconds when nearing climax, then resuming. Adding a gentle grip during this pause can sometimes also help with control. How effective is it? Research has shown that by practicing these methods, people can often extend their duration from less than a minute to several minutes. Drawbacks of edging. 1. Discomfort. For some, delaying climax may result in mild pressure or discomfort if tension in the muscles doesn't ease naturally. 2. Desensitization. Over time, relying on very specific types of stimulation might make it harder to feel fully engaged during shared experiences, as the sensations might differ. 3. Potential delays in climax. Sometimes, pausing or changing intensity can make it harder for individuals to reach the same level of excitement again, leading to possible frustration or discomfort. It's essential that if you're engaging in these practices with a partner, both of you feel comfortable and open about expectations. There's no specific length of time that's ideal for edging. It depends on what feels best for you and your lifestyle. Lastly, people often ask, what happens if you don't release? Your body will naturally reabsorb it, or it may release later while you sleep, which is perfectly normal. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to take care of yourself, as you're truly worth it.